Yo, Third Eye Sound mixed by Gabriel here. Back at it with another one. Today I really just wanted to talk about, just go over some concepts in mixing beats in your songs. This is a song I was doing for my boy Zach. This is the 808 right here, so you can see like I typically roll off 30 or 40 depending, sometimes even less. It depends on how much sub energy I want. But typically, I really like using LA2As. I feel like when you use a LA2A compressor, it adds a bit of low end to whatever source you're putting it on. So that being said, I also like to add distortion or saturation to the 808. And that's for the 808 to cut through smaller speakers so you can hear it better. So yeah, one of the big concepts is being able to get your kick and your 808 to mesh well together. So typically I either use the 808 or the kick as the low energy in the song. In this song I use the kick as the attack energy, like the click, and the thump, or whatever you want to call it, and then the 808 as the sub energy. So you can see here on the kick I rolled off up to 65, and that's just to cut out all the low end. You really want it to just cut right through. You can hear it cutting right through. I also boosted at 1K, and that's for the initial attack of the kick. So that's just some concepts for mixing 808s and kicks. I mean, for the most part, really what it comes down to is having a good beat. Once you get a good beat, really all you have to do is you don't have to use that many plugins. Like you can see there's some instruments I don't even put plugins on, really what it comes down to is panning and volume. Those are the two biggest things in a good sounding beat is volume and panning. So just making sure everything has its own place. Anyways, let me know what you think, y'all.